Guinea pig's poop can communicate with you. It can provide you with essential information about the health of your little furry pets. Let's decode 7 different types of droppings and their meanings. As a responsible guinea pig owner, it's important to monitor your furry friend's poop regularly, such as each time you spot clean the cage. The color, shape, consistency, and smell of your guinea pig's poop can give you a clue about their health. This knowledge can make the difference between life and death for your guinea pig. Remember, healthy guinea pig stools have an oval shape with a color ranging from medium to dark brown, and should be consistent. They should not have a strong smell. There is also greenish poop pellets that can be consumed by your guinea pig. This one is called cecotrope, and we will talk about it in the next section of this video. Anything else should be alarming and must be checked by a veterinarian. Now let's find out the unusual types of feces that a guinea pig can produce. Dry and crumbly poop. When you notice dry poop in your guinea pig, it's vital to investigate further, as this can be a sign of dehydration. If left untreated, dehydration can have fatal consequences. It's crucial to seek assistance from your vet if you notice dry poops or any other symptoms to prevent further complications. Tear-shaped poop. If you notice teardrop-shaped poop in your guinea pig's cage, it could be a sign that your pet has gut problems or is dehydrated. In such a case, it is important to keep a close eye on your guinea pig's food and water intake. You can refer to our tips mentioned previously to ensure your pet stays hydrated and healthy. Clumpy poop. Constipation is a clear indication of a low-fiber diet and inadequate hydration. Adequate intake of both fiber and water is crucial to maintaining regularity of the body and ensuring that food moves smoothly through the digestive tract. A reduction in fiber or water intake can lead to the formation of hard and dry waste, making it difficult to excrete. Soft and smelly poop. If you notice that your guinea pig's poop is giving off a foul odor, it could be an indication of infection. Soft, poorly formed, and wet poop are additional signs that something may be wrong. It is crucial to seek urgent veterinary care since diarrhea can be fatal. Small poop. Smaller-sized poops may indicate a recent poor appetite in your guinea pig. This could be a sign of gut stasis, which means their digestive system is not working properly and needs urgent attention from a veterinarian. Bloody poop. If you have observed any signs of blood in your guinea pig's poop, it is crucial to promptly contact the vet. Bloody guinea pig poop can indicate a severe tear or obstruction in their digestive system, so immediate care is necessary. Additionally, there are other possible causes of blood in your guinea pig's poop. It could be a sign of urinary issues such as infections, bladder stones, or even reproductive causes like ovarian cysts. If your guinea pig's poop looks different, it could be a sign of an underlying disease. It's important to keep a close eye on your pet's poop to help you keep on top of their health. Have you had any unfortunate situation with your guinea pig poop? Let me know in the comment section. If you notice any changes in your guinea pig's poop pellet, such as difficulty expelling them or irregular size and shape, isolate the guinea pig to monitor its poop. Make sure that the guinea pig is eating and drinking normally. Additionally, try to recall any changes in its diet, as your vet may ask for this information. Guinea pigs sometimes eat their poop because it contains essential nutrients that they need to stay healthy. Like rabbits and other small pets, they have a unique digestive system that allows them to extract extra nutrients from their food. They are coprophagic and eat their own poop as part of their normal digestive process. This behavior may seem strange or even disgusting to us humans, but it is perfectly natural for guinea pigs. This is because they produce 2 types of feces. One is the typical hard fecal pellet, and the other is called cecotropes. Their digestive system is different from that of humans and other animals, where food moves from the esophagus to the stomach and then to the small intestine, where nutrients are absorbed. In most animals, large fiber particles pass quickly through the colon and are excreted as feces. However, for guinea pigs and other small pets, the nutrient-rich part of the food goes back to the cecum, a sac-like structure between the small intestine and colon. There, special bacteria break down the food into absorbable nutrients. This process produces cecotropes, which the animal eats to obtain more nutrients. Unlike their regular feces, which are hard and dry, cecotropes are soft and nutrient-rich with a greenish or yellowish color. The cecotropes contain essential nutrients such as vitamins B and K, fiber, and beneficial bacteria that help guinea pigs digest their food more efficiently. In fact, it is an important part of their diet and helps them stay healthy. By eating their cecotropes, guinea pigs are able to absorb more nutrients from their food, which, in turn, helps them maintain a strong immune system and stay healthy. So, if you're a guinea pig owner, you don't need to worry if you see your guinea pig eating their cecotropes. Don't be alarmed, as this is a completely normal and healthy habit for them. Eating cecotropes is part of their natural behavior, and it's actually a sign that they are taking good care of themselves. As you know, guinea pigs poop quite regularly and almost everywhere. Thanks to a diet rich in fiber, primarily made of hay, which makes them our lovely little pooping machines. They even have the habit of pooping while eating, sleeping, playing, or even on your lap during petting time. This is because a healthy guinea pig can defecate around 100 times a day. Fun fact, older piggies with less energy will lower their drop count to between 50 and 70 per day. Some might find them annoying because they reappear as soon as the cage is clean. But did you know that guinea pig poop can tell you a lot about the health status of your guinea pigs? In fact, any changes in color, texture, and smell can indicate stress, environmental issues, digestive problems, or other health issues that need immediate attention. As a responsible guinea pig parent, it's important to monitor your furry friend's poop when you do daily spot cleaning of their cage. The color, consistency, and smell of your guinea pig's feces can provide clues about their health. Healthy guinea pig stool have an oval shape with a color ranging from medium to dark brown and should be consistent. They should not have a strong smell. Those small, hard pellets can be easily cleaned using a small broom and a dustpan or a handheld vacuum. Guinea pigs enjoy a clean cage, and it's important to spot clean their environment once or twice per day, depending on the size of your herd. Guinea pig poops are not toxic as long as they are handled carefully. Remember that they can contain bacteria that are harmful to humans, such as salmonella, so it's important to wash your hands after cleaning their cage. A healthy guinea pig is a little pooping machine. If you notice anything unusual, such as no poop pellets or a small amount, irregular shape, or even very soft discharge, consult with a veterinarian immediately. Guinea pigs are very good at hiding any signs of illness, so decoding their poop can help you save their life. Can guinea pigs be potty trained? Are you a guinea pig mom tired of picking up their poops everywhere twice a day? Are you asking yourself if it's possible to potty train a guinea pig? The short answer is, good luck with that. Seriously, it's possible to potty train your guinea pigs when they are young, but it takes a lot of patience. Older guinea pigs, as smart as they are, don't really care and will often expel their poop pellets where they eat their hay. They will also leave their droppings a bit everywhere as their little gift to show you their appreciation for the good food you provide. Don't be discouraged. Keep spot cleaning twice a day because they really appreciate a clean cage. If you have had a successful experience with potty training, let me know in the comment section. Are you asking yourself, can I use their poop as fertilizer in my garden for growing their veggies? Can I directly dump the soiled hay and poop into my garden soil? If I can use their poop as fertilizer, then how much is too much? All of those questions are great, and after reading plenty of gardening blogs and scientific papers, I will share the fruit of my research. In the context of climate change and circular economy, it is essential to avoid wasting natural resources. Reusing the droppings of your guinea pigs as manure is an excellent way to avoid using fertilizers that originate from non-renewable sources. Not only will you save money in your budget, but you will also increase the yield of your crops while contributing to the protection of the planet. It is true that guinea pig feces can be used as fertilizer in your garden. This is because it is packed with nutrients that plants need, such as nitrogen and phosphorus. It is also a good soil conditioner and can improve your soil quality. Because guinea pigs only consume hay and vegetables, their poop is safe to use, unlike other animal waste. Using their waste as a fertilizer in your garden will not do any damage if used correctly. To fertilize your garden, you can add them directly or compost it with the soiled hay and wood shavings from the cage. You can also create compost tea for your house plants. Follow these basic instructions to make the most of it. Composting is still the best way to use these droppings for fertilizer, especially if you want to make sure no germs or harmful bacteria get into your garden bed. As a reminder, hay is the whole plant, including the seeds. Straw, on the other hand, is the material left over after the seed heads have been removed. Since hay has seeds that will most likely sprout in the garden, you can use it if you don't mind weeding. To compost guinea pig waste, place the droppings and the soiled bedding on your compost heap. Let it sit with other compostable items for several months. After that, the guinea pig manure is now ready to use in your garden. One way to use guinea pig poop with your houseplant is to make manure tea as recommended by the channel, Self-Sufficient Me. If you want to know more about this recipe, let me know and I'll make a video about it. How much is too much? Both the manure and hay are rich in nitrogen. If your plants look overly green and there is not much fruit or flowers, it is time to cut back on this fertilizer. Because you can have too much of a good thing, you must be careful with it. With the right precautions, guinea pig manure can be a safe and effective fertilizer for your plants. Remember to follow basic guidelines and ensure your guinea pig's health before using its waste as fertilizer. Using guinea pig poop as fertilizer in your garden is a great way to promote sustainability and avoid wasting natural resources.